Ever wondered how crucial a role your diet plays in managing diabetes? Well, it's like the leading actor in the movie of your health, indispensable and influential. So buckle up, because we're about to delve into the world of good foods for diabetes management. First off, whole grains. They're not just the backbone of a healthy diet, but also a lifeline for people with diabetes. Whole grains such as oatmeal, brown rice, and whole grain bread or pasta are packed with fiber. This fiber slows down the digestion process and helps control blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for people with diabetes. Next on the list, lean proteins. Think chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, tofu, and low-fat dairy products. Why? Because proteins don't have a significant effect on blood sugar levels. They also make you feel full, which can help control your appetite and prevent overeating. Now, let's talk about the superheroes of the food world, fruits and vegetables. They're low in fat and calories, but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They also contain antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Berries, cherries, peaches, apricots, apples, oranges, and pears can be sweet treats that are friendly to your blood sugar levels. Staying hydrated is key, but not all drinks are created equal. Water is your best bet, followed by unsweetened tea and coffee. Be wary of fruit juices and sodas, as they're often high in sugar and can spike your blood sugar levels. Finally, healthy fats. Yes, you heard that right. Not all fats are bad. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats help reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. Avocados, almonds, walnuts, olives, and fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in these healthier fats. So, to sum it all up, managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up all the foods you love. It's about making wise choices. Opt for whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Stay hydrated with water and unsweetened beverages. And don't forget about those healthy fats. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to different types of foods and diets, so it's essential to monitor your blood sugar levels before and after meals. And of course, any dietary changes should be made under the guidance of a healthcare professional. So there you have it, a quick guide to the good foods for managing diabetes. Eat right, stay active, and take charge of your health. Because the food you eat can be either the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. The choice is yours.